Quality sunglasses can be expensive, but sometimes you need to buy an extra pair because your lens broke or because you need different lenses for varying weather. Well, here's a way to avoid the expense but still get what you want. Check out LenzFlip. LenzFlip, crafted in the USA, carries a large collection of sunglass lenses, including replacements for brands like Oakley and Ray-Ban. Each high-quality lens is 100% polarized and pure polycarbonate, making them shatterproof and durable enough to handle almost any activity. And the lenses themselves are just as thick as the brand lenses. In order to replace or buy additional lenses, all you have to do is head to the site, enter in the number on your sunglasses frame, pick out the right color, and order them for a mere $30. If you need rose-colored lenses for an overcast sky or a smoked lens for a bright sunny day, it's all right there on the site. Once you receive your order, follow LenzFlip's simple YouTube video on how to replace them properly. It sure beats wasting a couple $100 on a new pair of sunglasses. To purchase your replaceable lenses today, go to LenzFlip.com.